that's the 3 ponytails. Now, the way I want to change this up a little bit is I'm going to use the FSE Dual 20 Pro. This takes out 20% of the hair, and I'm going to use this. You can see how easy it slides through the hair. This is our brand new scissor on our online store. Now, it's got a blending side and a texturizing side. I'm using blade down, so we're going more blending, and I'm just cutting through. The reason I chose a texturizing scissor is I really want to remove weight and not create any hard lines in this ponytail. So I go through, I work the hair to the length that I want it, and then I go through, I'm using the FSE Precision Elite scissor, 5.5 inch, and I just finish off just giving it a little bit more of a clean line towards the end. And I do the same thing on the second ponytail. So just going through, using that Dual 20 Pro to cut my length, and then I go a little bit deeper in with it, and then I point cut. This is the FSE Precision Elite as well. That's in the rose gold. And now we just connect the back in. So I use the tip of the FSE Dual 20 Pro and I work through it, really just using it like a point cut technique, but just taking out a little extra hair and softening it. Now you take those ponytails out, look at how great those layers look. I'm going to add a little bend with my Dyson flat iron and just smooth the hair out, add a little bend to it, work all the way around the head just to give a little movement to the haircut. Put in a little Paul Mitchell. This is styling treatment oil from the Awapui Wild Ginger line, and then just finish off the style. Look at that, guys, all those layers. Beautiful haircut, easy to do. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Go check out our brand new scissor line, the FSE Pro and Elite series. That scissor is only $199. You can have 20% off if you use the code FSE20 at checkout. So make sure you do that, and you can get the scissor for $160. Can't beat that deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.